In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the email preference domain setting in Hubspot. This is an important step if you want to keep your email communications professional, branded, and consistent across all your marketing campaigns. Let's walk through the process together. First, open your web browser and go to hubspot.com. Once you're on the homepage, locate the Login button. You'll find it in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on it and then sign in using your HubSpot credentials. After logging in, you'll land on the main HubSpot dashboard, your central hub for managing everything from contacts and marketing tools to reports. From here, find the settings icon, which looks like a small gear in the top right corner. Click it to open your account settings. Within the settings panel, you'll see a menu on the left-hand side. Scroll down and click on content to expand that section. This area allows you to manage various elements of the content you distribute through HubSpot, such as landing pages, blogs, and emails. Next, click on Domains and URLs. This is where you can manage the domains connected to your HubSpot account, including your email sending domain. Managing this setting helps ensure that all your emails are sent from a domain that matches your business's brand, which is key for maintaining trust and consistency. Once you're in the Domains and URLs section, click Connect a Domain. HubSpot will then guide you through a step-by-step process to link your email sending domain. This process ensures your emails are properly authenticated, improving deliverability and helping your messages avoid spam filters. After selecting the option to connect your domain, choose email sending when prompted. This specifies that you're connecting a domain for sending marketing emails rather than for hosting pages or other content. Follow the on-screen instructions provided by HubSpot. These typically include verifying your domain ownership through your DNS provider. Once the verification is complete, click Connect to finalize the process. And that's it. You've successfully changed and connected your email preference domain setting in HubSpot. By keeping this setting updated, you help protect your brand identity, increase the reliability of your marketing emails, and improve your overall communication efficiency. Always remember, sending emails from a verified domain not only boosts your brand's credibility, but also ensures your messages reach your audience's inbox instead of getting lost in spam folders. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more easy-to-follow guides on mastering HubSpot and other marketing tools.